Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of the Reese Show. Thanks so very much for tuning in. I greatly appreciate each and every last one of you. Okay, so I just came real fast to do this nail haul with you. But let me throw this disclaimer in there real fast. Everything that you're about to see in this video, I have purchased with my own money, okay? My own cointages. No one has given me anything for free, okay? Nothing was sent to me for a review. Okay, the first place I went and made a purchase with was Products.com. This is my very first time ordering off their website. I did purchase their cover almond, but I purchased it off of another site before. So yeah, but anywho, I went and purchased this here 8 ounce. This is an 8 ounce of their acrylic monomer, and this 8 ounce here, I'm just taking a peek over here at this computer. This 8 ounce here was $22.99, okay? Then I went and purchased their Cover Pink 3.5 ounce. And their Cover Pink 3.5 ounce was $22.99 as well. Let's see what's going on here. Do they have any seals? Yeah, they have seals, which is great, okay? All their powders have seals. All right. Then I went and purchased this here, excuse me. I went and purchased this here 8 ounce glass, and this here was $41.99. This is an 8 ounce, okay? Then I went and purchased this here collection. It's called Funky Lights. This is one of their collections. So it comes with 12 mixes in a collection, and they don't have a name on them. All they have is numbers. So you can barely see these here, so I'm going to have to come back and do swatches for you guys. I'm waiting on my swatch sticks to come in the mail. I used a discount code from one of the YT sisters here, which saved me $19.94. So the $19.94 discount was a great deal, okay? Then I went over to Young Nails. But before I get started, I just want to put this out there, because I know I may have some questions asked about Young Nails product and how to go about ordering them. I have a niece who is a licensed cosmetologist. She makes my purchases for me over at Young Nails, because you do have to be licensed in order to buy from them. There are a lot of places too as well that also sells their products. For instance, you can find them on eBay, you can find them on Amazon, and a couple of other folks sell their products as well. You have to just search for them. Okay? So, yeah, but this is how I make my order. So I purchased 2 core nail powders, 85 gram and clear. Then I purchased their Cover Pink in 85 gram, and the 85 grams $18.95 each. Okay, this is the Cover Pink. This here, yeah, and this here one is the 85 gram in natural, and this is the 85 gram in frosted pink. Then I also purchased a 45 gram of Cover Pink. No, I'm sorry, Cover Peach. No, I'm sorry. Got that wrong. Where my glasses at, child? I purchased this 45 gram of Core Pink. So this is a Core Pink, and this was $11.95. Then I purchased this, and I love how they have the plastic seals on them, around them, you know. Then I purchased this 45 gram of Cover Beige. Now I went back over to the site and I couldn't find this here. I need to do some swatches on these as well, so. And again, I say these were $11.95 each. Cover Beige, okay? And then I purchased their Cover Peach. Then I went and purchased this here. Now they have a promo code that's going on right now, And this here is a Trial Synergy Gel Kit. And I paid $13.97 for this kit. Okay? And this kit contains a 0.25 fluid. Let me get this straight. Okay. Because I couldn't find my tongue in my last video. So I was trying to say fluid ounce. But I was like, flamps. Okay. That's how we say it in hood terms. Alright. Flamps. Alright. So that's what this is. 0.25 flamps. No. Flow ounce. Fluid ounce. Okay. 0.25 fluid ounce. Flamps of finish gel. Then it comes with a 0.25 flamps protein bond. This here is like the primer. Oh, I hear so many good things about this finishing gel, so I see, yeah. But what it is was I wanted to just try this gel kit. I was going to go purchase the big kit that they sell over there first, the gel, because I watched a couple of their videos and I seen how their gels perform, and I was very, very intrigued. I was like, oh my, I love how that gel works, okay? So I said, well, no, well, maybe let me just start off with a small kit, because y'all know, if anybody been following me from the very beginning, y'all know I am a sucker for kits, honey. I will kit it up in a minute. So, and the thing about that is, I'd rather buy a kit because you get a bigger bang for your buck, you know, with them kits. Supposed to just buy item by item. You just be clowning yourself, spending all that money on, you know, piece by piece, if you ask me. Now, for all you piece by piece shoppers, I'm not throwing this out there to say you're stupid or nothing. So don't take it like that. I'm not saying it like that. See, because, you know, a lot of people getting their feelings, they get touchy by certain things you be saying. And, you know, I don't be saying nothing indirect to you or direct to you. I don't even know you. Anyway, jeez. So when I say stuff on my channel, y'all, I be saying things like, you know, experiences that I have went through, or experiences I don't want to go through. But if that's something you're going through, then, or something you're doing, then, you know, don't fault me for that. I mean, I thought I had my own opinion over here, is all I'm saying. Anyway. Okay, back to my video. This comes with a Synergy Gel base. And this here is 7 grams. Now, I don't know how many nails 7 grams would do. But I guess if you play with it right, it'll be okay. But this is the base gel here. Okay? This is Synergy Gel Gloss. 7 grams. Oh, this is pretty. Clear. Super clear. That's the gloss. This here is a Synergy Gel Clear Sculpture. Sculpting gel. Oh, okay. That's nice and thick. Alright, young nails. This here is the Synergy Gel Concealer Pink. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. That's pretty. Oh my. Okay. And this here one is the Synergy Gel White Sculpture Gel. Oh, wow. Oh, that's nice and white. Okay, young nails. And this here one is the Synergy Gel Bill. And that's nice and thick too. Alright. I like. Alright. So I'm going to see how these gels perform for me. And I'm pretty sure I like them. Because I seen a video, like I said, and the way they was performing with them gels, I was like, well, wait, I need those in my life. I got to have them in my life. Okay, y'all, so let me tell y'all what had happened with this here company, okay? I went back over to the computer and I looked, and within 1 hour, they had the package already packed up and shipped out, okay? It's all I'm saying. I was like, whoa. I was tripping. No, I really was. I was really tripping out. I said, wow, they had this package packed up and shipped out within 1 hour, okay? And I had a tracking number within 1 hour of making the purchase, okay? So, I was like, you know, young nails, they can have all my money. Sure. They can have all my money. Alright, y'all, let me move this stuff out the way so I can get on to these next items. I'm so silly. I know. You gotta be silly. sometimes in life. It's where you make life better and easier. Okay, my last purchase here is with a company called TonyNails.net. So I purchased a few of their glow powders here. And they were $79, child. $7.95 each. I'm not going to go through all of these. I'd rather swatch them. Yeah, I'd rather swatch these here for you guys, just to give you guys, just to show y'all how they look and show y'all the glow on them. Okay? But yeah, they were $7.95 each. So I went to purchase, you know, 4 of them they didn't have in stock, so gotta go back another time and buy those. That was a bummer. Then I went and purchased this here. This one is the number 372 White Sand. And this is from the ColourPop Acrylic Collection. And this was $4.99. Okay. Then I purchased these here nail tips. Sorry about the rattle. I put them in that bag. I thought they came in a box, but they didn't. I went and purchased these here nail tips. These are called L'Amour. Okay, and now they're natural, and I paid. Ooh, wait 1 minute, I'll tell you in 1 sec. I gotta look at my invoice because I can't remember how much I paid for them. But looking at these nail tips, they look exactly like the clear tips that I bought. And I had a couple of young ladies ask me where did I get those tips from. And I told you guys I bought them from a company called DVDC. But DVDC is no longer with us. And the tips that they sell on DVDC did not have a name on them. So when I purchased these here, I was looking at these here and I compared them with the tips that I have from DVDC, and they're almost a perfect match, if not a perfect match. I wish DVDC would have put a name on their tips, but they didn't. But these here are called L'Amour, L-A-M-O-U-R, natural, okay? Natural square, L'Amour. And let me show you again how they look. See? Can you see that? I think you can see that. I think you can see that. Yeah. The nail tips were $4.95 for 550 in account. Okay? And then I went and purchased 2 of their Cure Sky ombre gels, and these were $8.95 each. Said I'll try and give Cure Sky a chance through another company. See how it works for me. Yeah, that's why I only purchased 2. Okay, this one here is called Fairy Tale Romance. It's pretty. And this here one is called Black Swan. And I will swatch these here as well. And if you would like for me to swatch the rest of my Cure Sky gels, please just let me know in the comment box down below. And we'll see what we can do. We'll work it out for you, okay? Okay, all right. Moving on along. I know I'm silly. I'm just as silly as they come. Anywho. And I'm over here dropping stuff like crazy. Alright, y'all. Now let me show you what else I purchased here so I can get on off this camera. I went and purchased this here little straight head nail clipper thing here. It's nice and heavy. What is a heavy one? Like it'll last a very, very, very long time. And this here one, let me see. Let me give you the correct name of it. This is a stainless nickel clipper straight head. Okay? That's what it's called. Stainless nickel clipper straight head. Try saying that fast 5 times real fast. Yeah. Oh, and this here was $1.25. Okay? Real nice and sturdy. Heavy. Heavy, heavy. See it weighing my hand down. Anyway, I cannot make a video, y'all, without acting silly to say my laugh. To say my laugh. Then I went and purchased these here little jokers here. I already opened them because I didn't want to be rattling, making a bunch of noise on the camera here. So I had to just slit a hole in it real fast. And these here files are 180 by 180 zebra. And I paid $8.50 for a 50 count in the bag. $8.50 for these. Okay? They're rather nice. I like them. Then I went and purchased these here. I had to open these as well. Just so I wouldn't make all that noise. I almost dropped them. And these are the 100 by 100. 50 count in the bag. And these were $9.50. $9.50. Okay? Alright, so that concludes my haul. And let me tell you a little bit about this site here. Okay? So, TonyNails.net. TonyNails.net is where I made this purchase, okay? Now, I don't really know how much their shipping is, but I do know if you spend $2, girl, if you spend $2, if you spend $200 or more, you get free shipping. So, and yeah, so if you have any questions about any of these products, please let me know down in the description box below, and I'm going to answer to my best ability. That's what I do. I answer my questions to the best of my ability. So, yeah. Again, I say thank you so very much for tuning in. I greatly appreciate each and every last one of you. So, and I greatly appreciate all my new friends who have joined my channel. Thank you so very much. And thank you so very much to all my ride or dies. The ones that's been there with me from the very, very beginning. Okay? So, yeah, that's my time, y'all. So, I'm going to get back with y'all with a whole nother other video. Okay? Alright, in a minute.